Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Momentum Charting. This is Alex. As always, if you have not done so, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. It allows YouTube to know that you enjoy the content. Today we want to discuss the chart of AMC. Let's go over to the daily. So what we've got here on AMC is some pretty clear action, except for the long-term trend lines, which may or may not, you never know on charts like this, that if they will or won't come into play, but I think at some point they will. I don't know if the hype surrounding AMC is going to last, if we're going to potentially take off to new all-time highs, or if we're going to come back down to these long-term strong support levels. We will just have to wait and see, right? That's what it's all about. Patience, letting the trends develop. Eventually, like I say, all charts reveal themselves. It's just a matter of patience, and we need to follow along and see where the price action is going to take us, and try to take pieces of that here and there for ourselves. So that's what we're looking at right now with AMC. Got two long-term trend lines down in the 15-16 area. Of course, right now it seems very unlikely that we are going to revisit those anytime soon. We've got another potential. I say potential because we don't even have 3 touch points on this yet. Sometimes these hold often, more often than not, they do not. So I've got that listed as a potential only trend line support right now, but for certain right now what we're looking at are 2 very long-term support zones in AMC all the way back in the teens, and we also have a sideways, a horizontal channel that's developed here. Again, pretty clear what's happening here. We've got a support area at around 40, and we've got another potential area of support I'm seeing here at around 35. So that's what I'm looking at basically right now. Just choppy price action inside of this channel. We go to the 1 hour and we can see I've had this line of resistance in place for quite a while now. I've been watching this. You could see here that this was starting to break down. There was absolutely no reason to be long AMC. Well, really, obviously, since back here, but if you happen to miss the fact that there was some major resistance to that you needed to break through in order for AMC to break higher, certainly no reason to be long AMC ever since the end of June. This is just basically pretty bearish price action, and even since then, I'll get rid of that one. I don't think that applies so much anymore, but we've got this downward sloping trend line that looks like it's going to take us back to at least one of these support zones in here. I got 1, 2, 3 different areas that I will be looking for potential breakouts. If we're to break out, it seems likely that we could head right back up to this area of resistance around 64 or so. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. The most important trend line, I believe, is right here at around 40. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, a breakout in that zone. As always, we'll be looking for some bullish structure, set our trend line, and see where it takes us. That's it for AMC right now, guys. More updates to come later today. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to everybody again soon. Thank you.